Phillips, do you think Muslims should fight against Christains?
No, I think both are not rivals. So, they shouldn't fight against each other. Fighting against each other simply means that we worship idols. Islam and Christianity are not entities. We should not be worshipping the religion. We should be worshipping God the Creator.
Then, if I get cheated by a Muslim, how do you feel I should react? Should I be angry at Islam?
Santa, you shouldn't be angry at Islam if you get cheated by a Muslim. I think if you get angry at Islam because you got cheated by a Muslim, this means you see Islam as an entity. This means you worshipping idol. So, you should be angry at the person for cheating you and not at the religion.
That's nice to hear. But what about those people who think that Islam made their nation great? Are they doing what's right?
Santa, they are wrong. They should always give the glory to the Almighty Creator and not to the religion, because the religion is not an entity.
Great words from you. I am enjoying the conversation. But, I always see Muslims ascribing glory to Islam even more than God the Creator. Why is this?
You see, Santa, those ones don't know anything. As a Muslim, it is taught that you should always give thanks to Allah, which is the Creator, who is called God in English.
Okay then.